Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I'm just going to show you guys exercises you can use to build your grip and tone. This exercise is very, very important. So I will just advise you, I would like you to actually work on it very well. It's a very simple exercise. And the idea is we are playing it up here, right? You know, it's a little bit more difficult playing here. If you can be able to get your tone here, coming down here will be more easier because the more you come down here, the smaller the fretboard gets in your hands, right? So everything you want to achieve is on this first 5 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is actually where the bass is, right? This is actually what the bass guitar, or this is where the bass guitar is, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every other thing you want to play is here, but coming it down here and here is is good, but that depth you won't get it like when you're playing up here. Do you understand? So this exercise is very simple. I'm going to just play it very, very slow, and I call out the note. So this first one is like an odd time signature, right? Odd time signature, odd time scale. Yeah, so very, very simple. I'm using this key. So what I'm playing is, sorry. So that is all. So it's a repeated line. Again. Right, so you see, so that's that line just repeatedly. So fa la do mi, right? So fa la do mi la ti mi, right? Fa la do mi la ti mi. That's the first line. So after mi do, then la. Alright, so then so do fa, right? Fa la do mi la ti mi do la so do fa. You see, so that's just all about the line. So we are playing it in that circle. So now what I advise you to do is use a timer and try it for like 2 minutes, let's say 1 minute straight, non-stop. You actually start feeling it in your hands, right? You actually start feeling it. Like I said, an exercise is going to help build that grip, that tone you're looking for, or dexterity also is going to help, right? So you see how this exercise is, right? Very simple. Very simple. So you see how it sounds, right? Like I said, it's an all-time signature, all-time scale, right? So you can just try it like that continuously. You can use the other one. So how did I play the other one? Something like yes. I've forgotten it. Yeah. So you actually, like I said, you actually feel it because it's actually wide in your hand. So fa la do, right? So the same pattern. Fa la do mi so, right? So do then mi, do mi. So this my speaker is giving me a little bit official. So the mi so di do di la so. What's it? Right? The mi so di do di la so. That's circle. So I need to work on this. It's getting distracted. Apologies for that. So if you actually use this exercise for a period of time, let's say put a timer, you actually feel it. Once you actually do that. In fact, try it like before you play anything on the guitar, right? Before you play anything on the guitar, try the exercise like for 1 minute before you do any other thing, right? Sorry. Then the first one. Right, so the second one. Sorry. Woo! Even me that I'm doing now, I'm actually feeling it. It's a workout, right? It's a workout exercise that once you just do that for a period of time, you actually feel it and you actually see its effect. Right? So yes, that is just all for today. Today is exercise day. Exercise day. And this exercise, like I said, is for grip, for tone, and dexterity. So try it out and tell me how you feel. Right? Maybe you can write it in the comment section. Tell me what you feel and how you feel after doing the exercise, after playing exercise. I'm going to see you in my next class.
Hello guys, my name is Kelvin James. I'm a professional award-winning bass player with over 2 decades of playing actively and over 9 years of teaching consistently. I've taught over 1,000 students both online and offline, right? So I have experience, I did try. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play the bass, you have no idea of what the bass guitar is all about and you want to start, I have a course compiled on Udemy, right? It's very comprehensive and affordable. I'm sure you can afford it. And also, if you're an intermediate, you want to get advanced, right, in your play, I also like you to get the course. It's very affordable, like I said earlier, very affordable, right? The link is on my bio, and I also drop the link in the comment section. Please go get it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Also, if you want the private classes with me, send me a DM so we can talk actually, right? So it's actually different plan altogether, right? But I'm sure you can also afford it. I'm going to see you guys. Thank you.